Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. WordPress 7.0 is on the way, and even though it hasn't officially launched yet, the beta version already gives us a clear picture of what's coming next. And in this video, I will walk you through all the major features available in WordPress 7.0 and explain what they mean for your workflow. So before we explore the new features, let's install the WordPress 7.0 first. Since this version hasn't been officially released yet, we will use WordPress Beta Tester plugin to use the WordPress 7.0. So this is the Beta Tester plugin. Now let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Currently the WordPress version is 6.9.4. Now we are going to click plugins, add plugin, and search for WordPress Beta Tester. So this is the plugin. We will hit install now. Now let's click on active. After activating this plugin, we'll get the settings on tools and beta testing, or we can go to the settings by clicking this settings button in here as well. From here we are going to select bleeding edge, and we are going to select night lies, latest daily updates, and hit save changes. Now we will go dashboard updates, and we will get the option update to latest 7.1. so click on update to latest 7.1 and wait for a few minutes. And that's it, your site is now running WordPress 7.1. Just a quick reminder, always test beta version on a staging website, not on a live website. Now let's dive into the exciting new features. The very first feature we are going to explore, that is modern admin experience. WordPress 7.0 starts modernizing the admin dashboard. One of the biggest changes in here is the introduction of data views, which begins replacing the traditional list tables used for posts, pages, comments, and so on. This helps the admin areas feel faster, cleaner, and more aligned with modern web application. For example, if we click pages, medias, it feels faster than before. The next one is responsive editing mode. WordPress 7.0 introduces a very useful feature called responsive editing mode. To explore that, let's go to posts, all post, and click on this one as well. Now if we click this post and click on this document overview, in here if we click any content and click on this three dot, we'll get the option called hide. This gives editor more control over how content appears across different screen sizes directly inside the editor. For example, you can choose show certain block on the desktop, hide element on mobile. For example, we can hide this content or paragraph on the tablet and the mobile as well. Let's apply, and if we click on this responsive view and go to tablet, we will see that paragraph is already hidden. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight of WordPress 7.0 is real-time collaboration. Until now, WordPress only allowed one person to edit a post or page at a time. If another user opens the same post, WordPress would lock it and show a message saying that someone else is already editing it. With WordPress 7.0, that changes. To enable that, we will need to go to the settings. To do that, let's click on this button and leave this page, and we will go straight to the settings, writing. In here we will get the option called collaboration, and we can enable this one by hitting save changes. Once that's enabled, real-time collaboration becomes available. Now if we go to post, all post, and click on this edit, if one user is already editing a post and a second user opens that same post from a different account, both users can now work inside it at the same time. Changes appear live, which makes the editing process much smoother and far more efficient. Another major collaboration upgrade is the new notes feature. With this, team member can leave comments directly on a specific blog or a selected text inside the editor. So instead of sending feedback through email, Slack, or external document, everything can happen right where the content lives. For example, if we select this text and click on this three dot, we'll get an option called add notes. From here we can add all of our comments. For example, please update this section with the latest data or change the text and so on. With this, we will move to the next feature, that is AI infrastructure comes to WordPress core with the WordPress 7.0. To explore the AI feature, we will need to go to the dashboard. From the settings, we will click on connectors. From here, you can connect your preferred AI provider and start exploring AI powered capabilities directly inside the dashboard. Let me explain what's actually happening here. Connectors are basically a central hub. They allow you to plug in external AI services using API keys. For example, if we would like to use Google API, just click install and it will take few seconds to install the Google. We can connect the Google using the API key from here. Now this is where things get interesting. Once you install the AI plugin, for example this one, install the AI plugin. Once the Google is connected and we have installed the plugin, if we go to the AI submenu, from here we can enable the AI feature, which is editor experiment. From here we can allow excerpt generation, content classification, alternative text generation, image generation, meta description generation, and so on. Now if we go to post, all post, and edit this post and click on this title, we will get a new button called regenerate. Also we will get the option for feature image generation, generate new featured image, generate review notes, generate summary, generate excerpt. For example, if we click on this add excerpt, and we will get the option called generate excerpt as well. And that's a wrap. If you are running WordPress website, now it's a great time to start testing these features in a staging environment and see how they fit into your workflow. Let me know in the comments what feature you are most excited about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.